Hello guys, welcome to Video Tools 360 Ultimate Review. Myself Kuldeep Yadav. I'm going to go throw lights upon its awesome features, benefits, its working, price details and all the upgrade details of this software. But before moving on further, first talk about the bonuses you are going to get with this software. And this is my review page. You can see that I have written the review of this software, and in this review page you are going to get $2500 worth of bonuses with this software from my side, and you can check out these bonuses. These are listed here. You are going to get all of these. You can check their original price and compare that with what I have told to you. So now let's talk about what is Video Tools 360 Ultimate is. Now I am going to its official site, and it says that it's the world's first and only virtual tool builder with built-in live video. Built-in live video means that you can talk to your customer at the same time when they are surfing or going through your store virtually, and you can connect with them with live video that is provided by this software. Plus, you can also set up your e-commerce store over there by using this simple and pretty badass app. Plus, this also involves gamification, which means you can challenge your customers or give them a task to complete, and after completing that task they are going to get some rewards from your side. The reward can be of any kind, like you can provide them discount coupons or merchandise or anything. Plus, this tool also involves AI inbuilt, means this software is going to track your customers behavioral pattern and act accordingly in future. Now let's move on further and know more about this software. You can create 360-degree virtual experience for your business or for your client's business that engage visitors with 360-degree videos of your business or product with interactive hotspot, allowing visitors to get more detail and even buy directly from inside of that video, which means turning your video tour into a live e-commerce store with 24/7 live video chat facility, which is only provided by this app. Now let's know about its awesome features. First of all, it involves a drag and drop feature, which means you simply have to drag and drop the icons to complete your or to create your interactive virtual tour. You can drag and drop unlimited hotspot very easily just by clicking them and dragging to the place and just dropping them over there. This software involves live video calls to engage and close your prospects. This app involves gamification to boost engagement and incentivize action. Sell your product with the inbuilt e-commerce engine. Power up your lead generation game by collecting your visitors' lead like email, phone or messenger ID. This app involves seamless integration with all the popular marketing apps like email autoresponder, Google, Facebook, marketing automation and much more. This app involves inbuilt viral engine, which allows your current tour visitor to share your tours and bring you more visitors who will also share and bring more, like a chain reaction. This app involves tour experience optimization powered by artificial intelligence and machine learning. You can embed your tour anywhere for maximum exposure. And these are some of the bonuses that you are getting from the creator's side. They are providing you fail-proof and result-driven virtual tour selling accelerator program. The ultimate lead finder, effortlessly find your laser targeted buyer leads in any niche in just 45 seconds. One more, how to create and capture beautiful and professional 360-degree images just using your smartphone. You can learn all these skills after buying this software. We are going to get the course of these or recorded video for these skills. Now let's move on to the Video Tools 360 Ultimate. Here I have already logged into this software, and after logging in you are going to see this page. Okay, and from here you have to click create, and after clicking create you need to give your tool a name, like we can write demo over there. And after giving it a name you need to upload a 360-degree image of your business or product. Like you need to have a 360-degree camera, or you can even click those images from your smartphone, Android or iOS. So let's take a sample image from there. Okay, then click continue. Now there is an image. You can see that this is a 360-degree image. We can see anywhere in this room just by clicking. Okay, so if we want to tag this TV, or you can say, or if you want to tag this iMac, then you can simply drag the info pointer from there and just drop it on the product like this. You can give this a name, Apple iMac, description, anything. There's an option for you to show icon and label both at the same time, like this, or we can hide it. That's not looking. There are customization feature for your text. You need to save it from here. You can also include some animation when a customer click this icon or point. You can also change the icon color, background, its border, its opacity, and even the size of the icon from here. Okay, and you are also seeing the reward icon. You can place it anywhere, and after placing it you need to give it a name. Like I can give it a name, discount label, so name discount coupon, description, reward image. We can also upload an image. Reward type, we can say single coupon 20% off, and it says the number of hotspot opens required to qualify this reward, that how many hotspot does a customer need to open to become qualified for this reward. We can say 4, and then save. It is saved. You can see the actions which are available to you over here. Info. We can also link URL to any products that we can tag products, any file, any contact, any video. We can tag. All these things are in our 360-degree video to show our customer the best. You can also see that there is a floor plan. If we are promoting or showing any type of building to our customers, then we can also include a floor plan in this tool. You can also add unlimited scenes to a single tour. Okay, now let's move to the settings of this tool. You can see that there are many options available to you, like AI optimization, scene thumbnails, scene by default, auto spin, share button, and much more. You can also add sound or background music to your virtual tour. You can even upload your own file, or you can use the free files provided by this software. tracking. You can track your customers by Google Analytics or Facebook Pixel Code. You can track your customers and remarket them in future. You can add a team over here, your virtual team. Live chat option is here to give you a brief info. Live video chat option is also available here, that we have talked about in previous time. You can also share this tool to anyone, review, contact, and sign up model. So let's see about all the bonuses that you are getting with this software from creator side and my side also. You are going to get ready-made local niche graphics bundle from creator side, guard down sales script, 263 exclusive and 360 panoramic images for personal and commercial use, 2 million plus stock and transparent images collection. To make your future work with this software pretty much easier, and I am also providing you these 10 bonuses which are going to help you a lot in your future. Trust me, you are not going to get this awesome deal from anywhere else. I must say, this is a must buy tool if you are also struggling to make business or store to reach their customer virtually. This is a bad time that pandemic has shown us. You must go for this fair if you really want to grow even on automated mode. So please buy from my link. If you want to buy this amazing tool at an amazing price of $37 and also want these bonuses to help you in future. Okay,